Good evening again. Second video of the evening for my Instagram account, and tonight we're going to have a look at the TIS safe isolation kit compared to the safety bundle produced for a major UK wholesaler. So pretty much the same thing, same boxes, loads of extra junk packaging we don't need. And first off, you notice I have unpacked this little lot a little bit to make it easier to display. So we'll have a quick tip out, see what each box contains. Get rid of that. This one. Get rid of that packaging. Get rid of that. Put it in the bin. Right, so first thing I notice, I've got a lovely shiny Mega TPT 320. We have small lockout kit, basic lockout kit, and a spanking set of Klein tool snips. Don't quite know how that makes a safety lockout kit, but anyway, so if we look at the TIS kit, so I'll show you those in a minute. First off, we've got a bag, which we didn't have with the other one. We have a proving unit, which we didn't have with the other one, so I'll stick that in there, out of the way. Lovely, very similar to the Martindale kits, nice bags. We have basic lockout kit, containers not quite so nice, 2 MCB locks, a bigger MCB main switch lockout, safety padlock, multi-hasp, and some labels and a marker pen. And we have a TIS 819 voltage indicator, and we have a pack of probed tips, which I'll explain again in a minute. So if we have a look at lockout kits, so one label in there, we have a padlock, 2 keys, no, 1 key, sorry, and that is because I've already taken the second key out of there and thrown it away. That was supplied with 2 keys. Nice solid padlock. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 MCB lockouts, and that is a 3-phase lockout that goes under the connecting bar between the switches, the 3 independent MCB switches. So that's a nice lockout kit. That is probably 35 quid's worth of anybody's money. This already starting to crack on the ends. Your old school exam pencil case. 1 label, pretty standard. 1 marker pen. Looks as though it's got a tablet scribe on the end, maybe a rubber to rub it out. Don't know, haven't tried that. Multi-hasps, some people like these, some people don't, but if you've got more than 1 people working in the area, you can chuck their padlock on your circuit as well. 2 lockouts, internal, external pin, safety padlock, good weight, not bad, but why? 3 keys, guys, please, mental. Don't know why you do it. Bigger one, main switches. So okay, it's a basic set. Maybe 25 quid. Both of those, I reckon I can get the parts for a tenner. So manufacturers, wholesalers, you're robbing us. Right. Business end, in that. So we all know about the Megas. This has got a storage tip on here that if you put it on the right way, which Richard hasn't, it all clips together. You don't stab yourself silly when you're going in your tool bag. On these actually very sharp ends, the observant of us will notice that these aren't GS38. However, if you stick those on there, they are. We've also got these that thread on. Don't quite know why you'd want such a chunky exposed bit of tip, because it is not GS38. TIS, very similar setup. Doesn't feel as heavy, but it's not as big. They've both got decent flexes on them. There are other manufacturers that have had problems with their flexes. Not a lot else you can say about those, apart from, well, Richard's lost it. In here, where was the Mega? Had them stored. These push on to give us our GS38. Lovely job. Now, bit of a test. So, this one here, if we go in there, audible sound, I would like it to light up a bit more than that. There we go. 640 overload and an indicator. This one, if you put one terminal in, oops, you do get a little reading up in there. Let's take that out and see if it goes in there a bit better. It does give you voltage indication, which is okay. However, this one contains a battery, that one doesn't. So, get rid of the battery. These should still indicate, which it does. Don't get the buzzer noise anymore. And we have lost all the little dots. So we can't see what the voltage is. We can only see that it's got voltage. Equally, if you put one terminal in, you get no indication. So if I try that with this one, so put it in, all the lights light up, beautiful like that. If I only put one terminal in, I get two dots, providing you put it on the live one. The good thing about that is, if the lead ever breaks, you will still get a live indication, as long as that is in the live pole. If you go in the neutral pole, you get nothing. So, don't know about them. As a safe isolation kit, they are useless. So, TIS, proving unit, case, voltage indicator, lockout kit. With the other set, Mega voltage indicator, lockout kit, 95 quid, 65 quid plus VAT. I know which one I'm going for. As a beginner's kit, it's a no-brainer. Thank you and good night.